If you love and enjoy taking tea in Kenya, or you are a tea farmer or are involved in the tea business in Kenya, you should consider starting a tea YouTube channel in Kenya and turning it into an income generating online business in Kenya. And the premise here is very basic. This is because YouTube is a very powerful platform when it comes to actually building a content marketing based business. You can be able to create tea-based YouTube videos, upload them on your YouTube channel, and if you do this for a period or a long period of time, you can be able to build enough inventory and be able to turn it into an income generating asset. But when it comes to building an online business based on your videos, you're actually going to be thinking along the lines of how you can actually become a digital or online entrepreneur. That means not only thinking of your YouTube channel as a place where you upload your tea-based videos, but also thinking of the backend and the business that you're going to build behind those videos that you're posting. That means you need to think of the target market that you want to address or the one that you want to build, because you are going to build an audience with your YouTube channel, and it's one of the most powerful platforms when it comes to building an audience. You can be able to monetize your tea YouTube channel in a number of ways, with the simple one being the display advertising, but that is not the only one. You can be able to do affiliate marketing. You can be able to build your own digital products and services. You can get sponsorships. You can do merchandising, among very many other ways on how you can be able to build a business based on your tea YouTube channel in Kenya. What this means is that you're basically going to turn your tea YouTube channel in Kenya into a money-making online asset, into an online business that can become a source of additional or passive income for you. And that also includes business people or entrepreneurs who are in the tea value chain. You can be able to add YouTube channel into your overall marketing strategy, and can grow and turn into a revenue source or a source of revenue for your existing business. So what I want you to do to get this started is to spend an hour or two doing research, understand how online business works in Kenya, and how you can be able to turn your knowledge, your tea skills, expertise, and experience, or even passion, into a money-making online business in Kenya. Your tea YouTube channel in Kenya can become a very lucrative online business in Kenya, and you should not complicate it. Just share what you know, your expertise, share the experiences that you have with tea, different types of tea, or even how you run your tea business in Kenya. You can be able to build something that is very worthwhile simply by creating videos. It doesn't have to be very complicated. You can use your phone. If you have a camera, that's it. But all you need are those plus internet. And for you to make this work and succeed with your YouTube channel, you will need to pick a niche, and particularly even going deeper and choosing a sub-niche within the larger topic that you are interested in. And the idea here is that you want to be very specific with the person that you want to target. You want to be very specific with the target market that you're going after. So it is very important for you to not only look at the broader topic or the broader industry, but to also go a little bit deeper and pick something that is very specific within that larger industry. It means that you're going to be focusing on an area or a very specific area that you like, something that you enjoy doing, and at the same time you're also going to pick something that you probably have expertise on, you are knowledgeable about, you are very skilled on, and it might be just something that is a hobby, something that you're passionate about, or something that you have actually experienced in the course of your life. The three things that you need to consider when you are undertaking this or when you are building this as an online business. 1, you need to focus on building an audience. 2, you need to focus on building trust with the audience that you are building. And 3, you need to actually consider the monetization strategies or the business model that you are going to implement. These 3 things are very, very important. They are critical to the success of your YouTube channel. And importantly, they are going to be foundation of you building a successful online business based on the content you are creating on this YouTube channel. In summary, these 3 things will involve the following. You will need to create content that is aimed at building your audience. And this is the foundational step because you really want to build an audience of people who are aligned to the topic that you're discussing about, or people who are actually aligned to the market or the target market that you are involved in. You want to look for people who actually would be interested in the topic that you are discussing. People who would be interested either in the product or services that you might develop somewhere down the line. So it's very important to have this clarity when you are starting because it's going to inform the strategy that you are going to create when it comes to the kind of content that you are going to create. And once you have started building an audience, you need to also have a strategy on how you are going to build trust with that audience. And this is informed by a very simple fact that we buy from people that we trust, people we have built a relationship with. And that is a decision that takes a while. So you need to take time to use the content that you are creating to actually build trust with the audience that you are attracting on your YouTube channel. Once you have built the audience or you have built a critical mass of an audience that is interested in the topic that you are talking about, and you are building trust with them, you are constantly engaging with them, building that rapport, it becomes very easy then for you to actually execute the third point or the third factor of this particular ecosystem, and that is putting in place the monetization strategies or coming up with ways to make money with your YouTube channel. There are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel, and they could be as simple as display advertising, affiliate marketing, building your own digital products, or you could find other ways to monetize your content. And this becomes very critical if you have been able to build an audience that would be interested in those things, as well as if you have been able to do or you have been able to build trust with that audience. Implementing monetization strategies is actually very easy if you have done the other 2 bits well. As you can see, starting a YouTube channel means that you are going to be sharing your experiences, your knowledge, and expertise with your target audience. And this is going to be the start of your journey towards building an additional source of income. You might even be looking at it as a way to build a passive source of income. And for you to be able to actually achieve that objective, I want to propose that you consider this as a long-term project. And this is because creating a YouTube channel and building content is not an easy thing. It's something that is going to take time before you build the audience and also start implementing the monetization strategies that you want to use. Get started on this, start taking action, and that means you need to start creating YouTube videos. Stay consistent and do not give up even when things don't look or don't seem to be going the right direction. Sometimes you need to be creating videos even if people are not watching them. If you have enjoyed this particular video, I am sure you're going to enjoy the one on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.